Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I just have a really quick, easy craft that you can do for any of your dolls if you have a headband, or you can make them a headband and add flowers. I bought these for 97 cents at Walmart. I took a wire cutter and I cut off 3. I've got my glue gun and some leaves, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add these kind of off center for my chubby girl. I don't know if you know this, but chubbies can share headbands. It's about the only thing. Share head, look at that, I ran out of glue. What do I always say? Have an extra glue stick. And today I was kind of in a hurry and did not. And I actually really need it. But you can stick your leaves or your flowers on any way you want. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to stop and cram here because this is, there we go. All right, and then add some flowers. Sometimes you have to kind of press those flowers down so that they stay right. Add a little bit more since I was kind of fooling around there. Put those between and add another flower. Oh, see what I'm saying? This one kind of came off because I only have it caught by a couple petals. And what you want to do is push down and catch a bunch of petals on there so that it stays put. I think these are cute on the dolls. These headbands, when you make a headband for a Blythe or an 18-inch doll, they will fit one another. Let's put one more, see if we can make this leaf cute or not. Probably not, I don't have that knack, but we're gonna give it a try. Kind of fold it upward like that. And then when it dries, we will remove this headband. As you can see, I have a few of my girls dressed here for Thanksgiving. I don't want to catch their hair in that, so I'm waiting, giving this a second to dry as I push down a little bit more. I also bought, they had all kinds of fall flowers that you could use for this. And you know, with the Blythe dolls especially, if you use great big flowers, it's cute. It's just whimsical. And with their big heads and stuff, oh, it's just cute. And there she is, ready for her Thanksgiving party. As you can see, Peach's got a new sweater dress, and Birdie has a new Thanksgiving dress too. So they're all lined up here, getting ready for their Thanksgiving dinners in just a few weeks. I can't believe how soon. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.